Welcome everyone to the CAIO course, an exclusive packed course with a lot of information and value for the busy professionals like you who are watching this recording. Very information packed, self-paced certification course with 8 modules. So thank you all for joining the LMS platform. All of you will have access to these modules starting from module 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which will make you the pillars, understand the foundation of the whole AI ecosystem and how you will make the whole roadmap and go through this step by step. How we have designed this program we have videos. These are all generated from my in-house tools that are available for people who have a little bit of the way they learn. They want to learn it through video, interactive video, through podcasts and through ebooks. After you go through a specific module, please take a 5 MCQ quiz to test your assessment and then move forward. So these 7 modules bring you the foundations of what you are learning. And this is very, very important. This has been carefully drafted and put here for you. All this is very important for you to learn. End of the day, when you are going to the capstone project, you will understand how you will take a specific project and do a complete end-to-end analysis. We have given you a video from theory to impact, and then I want all of you to do a very simple capstone submission regarding whatever you have learned. So this is the whole end-to-end. If you spend 2 to 3 hours diligently, you will be able to complete the CIO course and get the certification. Make sure you mark as complete, and thank you everyone for being part of this amazing CAIO journey. Please put in your comments in every module. What have been your learnings? Keep it interactive so it will help us improve in the next version to give you very important, impactful information so that you take your learning from A to the point B. Best of luck and see you in the other side.